Imagine having the power of a high-end AI lab tucked right inside your backpack. For a long time, if you wanted a model that could truly see, hear, and reason through complex tasks, you had to rely on massive, power-hungry servers in the cloud. But today, everything is changing. Google has just pulled the curtain back on Gemma 4, 12B, a new model that brings agentic multimodal intelligence directly to your laptop. It is designed to bridge that awkward gap between tiny, edge-friendly models and the massive mixture of experts giants, giving you a serious performance punch without needing a room full of GPUs. What makes Gemma 4 12B a legitimate breakthrough is its novel, unified architecture. In the past, AI models were kind of built like a team. You had one expert to look at images, another to listen to audio, and then they'd translate what they saw and heard into a language the main brain, the large language model, could understand. These translators are called encoders, and while they work, they add a lot of extra bulk and slow things down. Gemma 4 12B throws that old playbook out the window. It is completely encoder-free, meaning vision and audio inputs flow directly into the LLM backbone itself. To make this work, the team replaced the heavy vision encoder with a super lightweight embedding module that uses simple math to help the brain see. For audio, they simplified it even more by removing the encoder entirely and projecting raw audio signals directly into the same space where the model processes text. This makes it the first mid-size model in the family to feature native audio inputs, allowing it to transcribe, format, and even translate voice inputs totally offline. The best part for all of us is that it's actually laptop ready. Even though it performs nearly as well as the much larger 26B model on benchmarks, it does so with less than half the memory footprint. If you have a consumer laptop with 16 gigabytes of RAM, you can run these advanced multimodal and agentic workflows locally. It even includes something called multi-token prediction to keep latency low, so you're not stuck waiting for the model to think. Whether you want to build wearable robotic arms or enterprise-grade security, this model is open, accessible under an Apache 2.0 license, and ready for you to download from places like Hugging Face or Kaggle right now. If you're as excited about the future of local AI as we are, make sure to hit that like button and share this video with your fellow developers and tech enthusiasts. We're constantly diving into the latest breakthroughs here at SynthScoopAI, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the tools that are changing the world.